Okay, so what I've got here is my Year 11 Level 1 Trophy Design research page that I'm going to be working on. And what I've done is I've gone on the internet and I've found some good images, high quality, using Google Advanced Image Search, and I've got about 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to get 8 to 9 of different trophies. And what you want to be doing for is looking for what you but get variety. Don't just get all the same. So I've got some kind of different ones, but you can see I've kind of gone for more of a geometric, simple kind of shapes. These ones are sort of linked, they're linked, but they're different. On this page, what you need to be doing is writing about what you see, but talking about the formal properties of the trophies as well. So in your booklets, in your handouts, I've got some design terminology. So you want to use these pages to help you do your writing. Elements of design, line, shape, texture, etc., and then function. So we've got aesthetics and function, and then also what we see. So I've started off one, so I'll just zoom in. You want to do your heading, stick your pictures down, and then I've started off on one. So let's zoom in on this, okay, and we can read it. So what I've got is I've found this sort of variety of images, and I've found this one. It's not a trophy, but I found it when I was looking at other kind of trophy designs. So the shapes are trapezium shapes. I'm explaining what I'm seeing. This is not a trophy design, but I like the way the geometric shapes are combined to make a deer head. Okay? Simple, explaining what I'm seeing. And then I also found this page. It's good to have, explore how things can be sketched, how the design process is. This shows a great way to generate ideas using geometric shapes. A good example of sketching. Yeah? Okay? So there we go, and that's some nice drawing there, elephant head. Okay, so we're going for a trophy design. So let's have a look at this one. What can I see here? It's made out of glass, it's engraved, it's balanced, it's simple but effective. Okay, so what am I going to write about this? This trophy is a triangle that has been separated into 3. So what am I looking for here? This trophy is symmetrical. It is symmetrical. That means that it can be mirrored either side. So if I chopped it in half, that side is mirrored on this side. It is symmetrical and translucent. Translucent. The engraving stands out, creating contrast. Okay, so that's good, and that's enough for that. Explaining, you're using design language to explain what is there. So let's move over to this one. So we can put again here, a translucent, which means glass or see-through, translucent glass trophy. Full stop. The blue acts as a backdrop against the engraved writing. And engraving means it's been etched into that glass. Now, what else am I looking at here? I can see these kind of curves, these nice curves. It looks sort of like a sailing ship, so I might go with that. It could be this, the use of curves in the lines, work well. It could be a simplified sail for a boat. That's pretty good. So I'm using blue pen here. I started off using black. You can use pen or pencil. So let's have a look at this one. I'm going to come back to my words here now and have a look at, see what can I use in here. Anthropomorphic, measurements of man, durability, reliability. So let's use this one, durability. I'm going to use it for this because that's made out of silver. That's going to be durable, last for a long time. And then also I might do something like unity because it's all one color. So I'm going to use those two words in a sentence. Alright, so I'm going to go for unity and durability. So I might start off with, this is a traditional sort of cup type trophy. Okay. It is made out of silver. Which gives the trophy an overall unity. There we go, I've got my unity in. Nice. And what is unity? The elements look like they belong together. This helps determine how many elements you use and how you use them. So because they've just used silver and the sort of more kind of detailed figures, that gives it unity. And I might write that now. Okay, there is highly detailed figures. Okay. What else was I going to talk about? I was going to talk about durability. Because of the materials and the trophies well balanced. That's what we're going to talk about. Well balanced. Look, they've got a nice base there. It's going to be solid when you put it down. It won't fall over. You can pick it up. Really good function there. Trophy well balanced because of the materials and the trophies. Well balanced design. It would be durable. Good. So what I could do is I could move on and I could just talk about the these are more kind of modern trophies, the contrasting wood, the way that it's angled there to get a perpendicular angle. That means, perpendicular is when you create a right angle, but it doesn't have to be like that. You can do drawing on this page if you like. If you have an idea, get it down, draw it, that's fine. So I could do a kind of combination here of these two. A more modern approach to trophy design. These trophies show a good use of limiting shape to right-angled or square or geometric prisms. Right-angled geometric prisms. Okay? If you want to, on this page, you can talk about what ideas you like. So, you know, I like the use of different colors to make the trophy vivid or standing out. And then these sort of angular shapes show growth as well, don't they? So you've got the starting point and then it folds, so that's quite nice, that sort of the way that those shapes lean that way, but just by using straight lines you get this kind of natural curve. So you could write about that if you wanted to. And then so if I zoom out, we've basically done our nice trophy design research. But what you don't want to do is just pull a random, don't get the first 9 pictures you see on the internet. You want to get things that you want to be informed by. That's the whole point of research. Find things that you want to take ideas from to then create your own one. So I found these ones here. These are my main kind of ideas here. I might bring in some curves, but I'm going to try and go for these more sort of geometric, more modern. I like this one, I like this one. So that's what I want to work with. Okay? It should take 1 lesson, 2 lessons maybe to research on. Okay, good work. You can do it. Let's do this. Over and out.